What's up, YouTube? What's up, sneaker world? It is your guy again, JUDL12, aka Bubba, back with another quick review. And tonight, guys, I'll be giving you guys a quick look at the Jordan 1 Flyknit Jeter Respect. And as always, guys, before we get started, do not forget to hit that thumbs up button and also hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I just appreciate all the love and support that I'm receiving right now on my channel. I have a very small channel, but guys, I'm going to continue to build this thing up. And also, let me give out a special shout out to Gabriel Kicks 23. Guys, definitely go and support your guy there at Gabriel Kicks 23. Also on YouTube and on his IG, man. Definitely has mad dope content. Very dope stuff. Definitely go and check out his page, man. And I appreciate the love and support, man. Thanks again. And guys, let's definitely get into these. These are your Jordan 1 Flyknit Jeter Respect, or aka Jeters. And definitely, if you hadn't seen the Jordan 1 Mid Jeters that I put up on YouTube, also go check that out also on my page under my playlist. I should have that down there and below in the link. But definitely go and check that out. These definitely retailed at a whopping $180, and this is your color scheme here on your side. Let me see if I can get that for you. It says got a metallic gold sale, metallic gold. So, and that's the thing, when I pull these out the box, I mean, they're not gonna be like just a pure white, like the pure money fours, but it is definitely got that sail color. It's the sail colorway, just like the retro ones, the OG ones that came out a while back. But in all, man, these are just mad stupid. When I definitely get them in hand, these are dope. These, like I said before, they retailed at $180. These released on February the 23rd. And let me let you guys get a good look at these. You see you have your Flyknit on your toe box. Very dope. Get you a look at that. Got your Nike check. Got that in leather there. Leather's pretty good on there. Got your Gold Wings logo right there. Nike Air on your tongue. And shout out to the stamp. Absolutely love getting the Nike Air stamp of approval. Jordan brand. Nike, y'all continue to do that. Please keep putting the Nike Air on there. We absolutely love the Nike Air. And get you a 360 of this. And man, I'm gonna show y'all very dope and my very favorite part of the shoe here soon. On the inside of your tongue, you got your Respect there. Got your sizes there, size 10, of course. On the inside, now on the inside of this, there's a leather insole. You got Respect there. I mean, they knocked it out the park with these. Let me got your laces there. Got your gold lace tips there. Very dope. But let me show you guys very dope and my favorite part of the shoe, and that is the outsole. Look at this icy bottom. This is just mad stupid, mad clean. So, man, salute to you guys on these, man. I absolutely love these. And guys, I'm gonna go ahead and sign out there. Just want to give you guys a quick look. And I don't know if I was one of the first to put this up on YouTube. I don't know. I'm gonna do some more research, but I didn't see any other reviews. But definitely, I appreciate that, guys. This is JUDL12, aka Bubba. This is the Bubba Files. Lego.